By Stuurmanskraal. Julle weet hoe dit hier gewoonlik lyk. Hier gaat nou water af.
And it's not only the Kouga Dam getting water, this water is on its way down the Krom to the Churchill Dam. Updates on the rainfall, Krakeelhoek is up to 320 millimeters, Tami 177 millimeters, and Krakeel is 193 millimeters. Stuurmanskraal is now up to 230 cubic meter per second. This footage of the Bergrivier flooding near Wellington yesterday was supplied to me by Willie Koorts, a fellow YouTuber. You can find a link to his channel in the top right hand corner or in the description. This bridge is the Lady Loch Steel Bridge. In 1853 a wooden bridge was constructed to gain access across the Bergrivier. It was named Lady Loch after the wife of the governor of the Cape Colony. In 1910, this wooden bridge was replaced with the first all-steel bridge in South Africa, which is still in use today. The pipe slapping on the river there normally supplies water to the houses on the other side of the river. In this case, they were not getting any water. And lastly, I thought I'd give you a quick update on the fish spawning on the Orange River. See in the center of the screen now, there's a big fish chasing a small one. Keep an eye on it. Looks like it might have caught it. We move up to the shallows, gravel bed where the fish are spawning, and you can immediately see them busy there. This is the barbel or catfish, barber as we say in Afrikaans. And certainly seems that they are still busy spawning. Movements does not suggest them hunting. I'll just hover around a bit and have a look at what they are doing. They're lying fairly still, but they are gathered in clumps there. They got scared of the drone or maybe another big bird. You can see them scamper off. Some are quite large. More of them as we move upstream. That's quite a big one, right bottom corner. More big ones at the top. They just seem to be spawning in this whole area. I know they look like tadpoles from up here, but the drone is quite high and those are fairly big fish. Now I'm starting to see different fish. These are not all barber. I think I just saw some yellow fish there in the center of the screen, but certainly up here I'm starting to see some muddies, and it looks like the muddies have started spawning. think further upstream I see even more of them. Some big ones in this deeper water up here. Big barbel. But that's definitely muddies in the center of the screen there. That's not barbel, that's muddies. It could be some yellow fish in between there as well, but I think the muddies have started spawning. It doesn't seem like the barbel is interested in the muddies yet. But certainly once the barbel finish spawning, they start hunting, and you'll see them chase the muddies even up onto the bank of the river. That's definitely muddies. The smaller fish swarming in the middle there is definitely muddies. When I'm saying muddy, it's called in Afrikaans onderbek. They're bottom feeders. And the mouth is on the underside of their head. A bunch of them up there as well. So you can see the river is teeming with fish, even after the big floods. I've been asked many times whether the big flood doesn't wash all the fish into the ocean. It sometimes feels like it when you see that high speed of the flow. Another big group of them. These are more barbel. Anyways, that's it. Just thought I'd share the spawning fish with you. I'm expecting another big update tomorrow and the Kouga situation, the dam, the flow in the river, and I'll keep you updated. See you on the next one. Cheers.